Hi everyone, welcome to HR Press. This is Sudakshana. Amongst the many roles that HR managers play in an organization, one of the key roles that they play is to anticipate change, drive the change, and ensure that everybody who is a part of the organization copes through the change and sometimes also benefit from the change. So the reason why I am doing this video is I was just thinking that while we as HR professionals keep going through the motions of change and driving change, one of the things that becomes very, very important as an HR role is to be able to strike a balance between inward looking and outward looking. What I mean by inward and outward looking is, while it is very important to recognize the importance of understanding what's happening in the other organizations, what are the best practices, what kind of benchmarks are available for any of the HR deliverables, is also very, very important to look inward, because largely a lot of skills of the organization, the key facets of the organizations rests inward. Hence, like it is important to benchmark and create and learn from best practices from other organizations, as an HR person it's very important for you to also draw up the glossary of organization strengths, the key attributes of the organization, and what makes the organization tick. And once you are able to strike that balance between looking inward and looking outward and create that niche for the organization, you probably would have done your job well. So to know more about how to choose and strike a balance between being inward looking or outward looking at the same time, do visit www.hrpress.com. Thank you.